In any sort of an application where air nozzles, air knives, air amplifiers, vortex tubes, and also air tools that are used, usually recommend a point-of-use filter. This is because in any sort of a compressed air filter, even if it has central filtration, inevitably, due to leaks or anything else that could be in the system, whether it's just an old system, moisture can condense, oil might get into the airline, and therefore get into and contaminate the equipment that the compressed air is used for. For this reason, you want point-of-use filtration. However, in many applications, the system may be so wet and so dirty that the filters that are normally used simply cannot address the problem. They don't stop all the moisture. They may not even stop all the debris and oil. Or the filters may require constant maintenance, which takes up a lot of maintenance time and can be very costly. This has led to the development of products like the NextFlow Super Separator. How the system works is like a normal central separator can work. It spins the air in such a way that the moisture and oil and debris will come out of the system and then get strained out. The Super Separator is unique in that it has multiple chambers. This allows for that extra spinning action to be able to take out 99.99% of any moisture that's in the system and most of the oil. Now, these separators, whether it's the Super Separator or any sort of a similar device, including ones that claim some sort of a particulate control, can only usually control particulate down to maybe 1 micron. 1 micron may still be a problem if there's a lot of 1 micron particles in the system or particles that are below 1 micron getting through. So it is always recommended that after any sort of a separator, including the Super Separator, to continue to use a standard membrane style filter. However, because the Super Separator, for example, can take out 99.99% of the moisture in a system, that membrane filter will last multiple times longer than it normally would if it was just utilized by itself, and usually solves the problem.